Hi, I'm Advait. I review brands for a living. Visual Brand Audit is not just one listing, it's your whole brand. Your website, your socials, packaging, branding, visual communication, e-com store, offline store, and how they stack up together against your competitor in the market. We dive deep into each area. No templates, no AI checklists. The way your real consumer gives you cold judgment. You walk away with 3 problems, ranked and named by what they are costing you. There is a case study on this service. I'll probably add links somewhere here. So we meet virtually or in person to understand your business. We discuss about 90 minutes and we go through your brand right in front of you. And we map out your business objectives with required visual brand perception. This session happens when you book our service and we get right into it. You get written report within 24 hours. And if you can't have one thing that you can immediately act upon, we give you full refund. That's my promise. So if you believe you have a brand which is better than what it is appearing right now, fill in the details and I'll take it from there.